Howdy everyone, this is Graham Bynum with Uptown 101. This is my channel, Best Houston Apartments. I'm at the Asher at the Aspire Post Oak. The Aspire Post Oak, and this is the Asher floor plan. I'm doing a really quick 1 minute-ish walkthrough. So this is the living room. This is a 2-bedroom. This is the living room and the kitchen. I mean, isn't everything just modern, cool, and so fun? I mean, look, it's got this island that's amazing. You can fit these 4 stools that are there. You've got a beautiful kitchen here with gas and gorgeous appliances. You've got a beautiful floor-to-ceiling windows section here. You can have that table, or you could have a desk. And then you've got a beautiful area over here too, to just to relax, watch TV, whatever. You also have a balcony, and this is the 20th floor, so you have some fantastic views. I also want to show off one of the 2 bedrooms. This is the master. So the master looks like this. It's stunning. That is a king bed that's here. So stunning king bed, and you've got that whole wall is windows. It's amazing. You're gonna have floor-to-ceiling windows. That is the closet. The closet's adorable. And then the master bathroom is greatness. It's got 2 mirrors there, and it's got dual sinks. But it also has a tub in there, and it's got a walk-in shower. So that's your quick walkthrough of this gorgeous 2-bedroom here at the Asher floor plan at the Aspire Post Oak. If you have any questions about anything you're seeing, or if you're ready to set up a live virtual tour or a live in-person tour, send me a text. I'll take care of that for you for free, always 100% free.